Secure keyless entry. Keypad function and motorized deadbolt for convenient one-touch locking. Meets ANSI Grade 3 standards for security and strength. Simple programming. User-friendly keypad programming makes it easy to add or delete users in seconds. Perfect fit. Accommodates door thickness of 1-3/8 to 1 3/4 inch. Door handle fits standard size door hole. 2-1/8 inch, 54 mm. 6-way adjustable latch fits any 2-3/8 inch, 60 mm, or 2-3/4 inch, 70 mm, backset. Reversible lever and durable. Can be installed on both right-handed and left-handed doors. Made of sturdy zinc, steel, and stainless steel materials. Easy to install and warranty. Simple installation with a screwdriver. All necessary hardware components included. Backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. For indoor use only. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use. Faster than a key as only buttons to push.